stand back.
Okay.
There's a cap.
So breaking news, guys. We're back. And this time we're talking a lovely fall martini. And kind of the ironic thing is we both don't really like fruity drinks.
It's true.
And we don't really like the fall flavor drink thing. It's like, ugh. But I found the one. I found a cocktail to impress Eric. I can never impress him.
Yes, you can.
Never. You're always the cocktail maker.
I'm hard to please with cocktails because I don't like sweet, sugary, I don't know, cinnamon, baking spices, and I was apprehensive about this one. But this is solid because it doesn't taste like a candle. And believe it or not, it's not too sweet. I'm not a vodka person.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people are, but there's vodka in this. And the reason I love it is because you can't taste the vodka. So it's very easy to drink.
It's delicious.
I'm with you. And I'm excited to make it. Yeah, let's do it.
I'm excited to drink this too, gotta be honest.
What is it,
Long
Monday,
day.
Tuesday? Doesn't
Whatever
matter.
day it is. And after you have one of these cocktails, it tastes even better. Let's start with our rim.
Okay.
Aren't our glasses beautiful too?
Yes, I love these.
I got them. Aren't they
So
pretty?
is it gonna be a rim like a margarita rim, like a sugar or salt rim?
Yeah, exactly. So starting with the fall flavors here, we just want a touch of brown sugar. They're 2 little dollops. And then just a little bit of cinnamon too. And to me, that's just the epitome of fall.
Nice. Can I break this up?
Yeah,
Looks
go
fun.
ahead. Take the spoon,
Okay.
kind of mix them together. And then I'm gonna reach over you. And what I like to do is you can either use your fingers, but I feel like it's kind of gross to do that now that we're being sophisticated on camera.
Agreed.
And I'm just gonna take a little bit of apple cider and a basting brush, obviously a clean one. And I'm just going to rub the outside of my rim with some of that apple cider. And that way it's nice and wet. I got it actually a little too wet. It's dripping.
Oh boy.
Hold on, paper towel. Okay, I'm back.
She's back.
Now it's just a little bit
That's
wet.
great.
Okay.
So will this stick? So
Yeah.
this apple cider will stick to the sugar and cinnamon.
Yes.
Nice.
Just kind of spin the rim and it collects on the outside of the rim and you get to feel all fancy.
Super cool.
And look at that.
Look at that.
Isn't it so pretty? I feel like a professional bartender.
Well done.
Okay, so then the cocktail time.
The real stuff?
The real stuff.
Okay.
So we have vodka, your favorite.
Oh, gosh.
Would you like to pour it in? You
Sure.
Give me the shaker.
Okay.
I have some
let me
ice
do
in
this.
here.
So there's ice in the shaker.
Yes.
We have 1 little ounce of vodka.
Yep.
Put it in fast.
Some apple cider. Apple cider martini. You gotta have apple cider in there. Very nice.
Ooh, yum. Okay.
And then just a little bit of orange zest. And to me, this is key. And I think this is why it doesn't taste overly sweet, but it has that nice kind of like citrus undertone.
Just right in and mixing
Just
in?
right in.
Okay,
So I
like that.
already zested this guy, but all you gotta do is take a microplane and you just rub the outside of a clean orange. Just the orange part will come off. You don't wanna get
Cool.
that white part in there too.
Okay. Okay.
The people are really gonna
Look at the zest.
look at that zest.
Okay.
Aren't I such a good zester?
You're amazing, sister. Okay, what's next?
I looked at you like, what are you doing? So next is just a touch of maple syrup. I can't get over the whole zest thing. Just a tiny bit of maple
There's barely
syrup.
anything in here.
Just a little bit. There's also a little bit of zest mixed in there too by mistake.
There's nothing. Okay.
Ooh,
Okay.
ooh. He's going in with a dirty.
No, it's not dirty. It's the cinnamon spoon. Okay, I'm trying my best. Okay.
So then, I got off track. This is just getting me too excited. And then all you gotta do is shake the cocktail.
That's it?
Okay.
Your turn. Oh, it's so cold.
Last time I did this, it went everywhere.
No, you gotta put it up here. No, like your. Okay.
I think you need to do it
So now
again.
it's done?
Is it good? Okay. So then, wow, it's really cold. Then we're gonna take a strainer.
Okay.
And I'll hold the strainer for you if you want, or do you want to?
No, I can pour it.
You want to pour?
Yeah.
So we want to strain the drink because we don't want you to be chewing on the pieces of orange zest. You just want the essence of the orange.
Agreed.
So go ahead and pour that right through.
Yum.
Woo! Perfect. And that way, all that orange
Nice.
zest is captured
That looks amazing.
right in the strainer, but
Come
you have
on.
that orange zest flavor in there. The flavor. So then, should I trust you to do this? So, if you watched our last cocktail video, you'll know that it didn't end so well. I almost lost an eye.
Yeah, I popped a bottle of champagne, and I don't know why. What I was thinking, it was a long work day. I shook it up, and then I opened it. So the cork flew across the room.
Champagne.
Let me try this again.
Okay.
Stand back.
Okay. Wait.
There's a cap.
When you get
Chandon. Okay. Hold on a minute.
you get
That's ridiculous.
when you get champagne from the grocery store, this is what happens.
Traditional method. Okay,
Okay.
so hold on. I'm confused. Apple cider, vodka, maple syrup,
Orange zest.
orange zest.
And then
you're just topping it off?
Top it with a little bit of Prosecco. You can take a spoon and just mix it a little bit, but you obviously don't want to shake the champagne in there because it'll go everywhere, but you just top it. That's perfect.
Wow.
And then you can do a little stir if you want. You could even top it with a little piece of the orange rind, really fancy, but otherwise, you know, why have that floating in there? You don't need that.
I love it. Please, can we sip this?
Yes!
Okay. Please, can we try?
Man first.
Man first. Yes, ma'am.
How is it?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is not alcoholic.
Oh my God.
Except it's filled with a lot of alcohol.
Oh,
I love that. You can make that warm too.
that is so good. It's not overly sweet. It's got the whole fall thing going on, but it's not too in your face.
Holy cow. Grace.
Oh yeah. Check it out on tastefullygrace.com.
You won't regret it.